Hi, welcome back. So another project term, EP, and its advantage. What is EP? EP, the term itself says enterprise portal. Okay, enterprise portal. What exactly this enterprise portal? What is its relevance? What is this evolution? We'll think about that. Actually, it is OTC, not only OTC, P2P, or else finance, whatever you take. It is enterprise portal in the sense that is a front end. Okay. Nowadays, probably those people who are working in real time, they'll come to know like something like Salesforce, Hybrids, like that. This is the front end. For example, OTC process through web. Okay, someone is would like to access in laptop or mobile through browser, and this front end through there is a technology called enterprise portal which is connected to the back end as SAP. Actually, most of the times your whatever the GUI you are using, it is a front end. On top of another front end will be there, enterprise portal. Okay, what is the unfortunate thing I would like to tell you? This technology I worked in 2013, one of my project actually. This is out of the market. Whoever the colleague who worked with me now currently doing SAP SD. Okay, so this is completely web technology. Okay, for example, written order creation. One link will be created. How you HTML link will be there, right? In the similar way, links will be there. Now, the current Fury is more advanced compared with Enterprise Portal as a web technology. There you can able to create tiles. Tiles means small boxes in Fury and other things. Okay, I think you understood what is EP is called Enterprise Portal. Okay, let's catch up in next session with another term. So this EP is currently out of market. Those people who work last 15 years, 20 years back, they only come to know that that was hot cake around 2000, I think 2008 to in between 15, it was good. Again, after that, it is out of the market. If you are not a subscribed to, you'd like to get more inputs from me, you can subscribe my channel. This is my YouTube channel. And this is my dedicated Udemy forum. I'm holding around 20 plus courses. I'm just providing these links below this video. I'm specifically recommend these two courses, all functional consultants, getting master to write functional specification and for idoc training. Without doing this, never ever try to expect your work in real time. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. If you're looking for serious career in SAP SD, this is the right forum. You can able to choose different courses. This is one of my top course having 2000 plus students. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wish you all the best. Have a great day.